Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to zoom in and out on TikTok. First of all, after you open up your TikTok like this now, if you want to make zoom in and out effect on your TikTok video, now tap on this plus button to download, to upload your video or to record your video. So first of all, let's say I already just recorded my video. I want to upload the video. Tap on this section to upload the video or to record. So for me, I will use recorded video. So I'll just go ahead and just choose a random video that I want to use. I will use this one. So as you can see, here is the video. Now I want to use this video. So if you want to make the zoom in and out option, tap on this section, next button. So after you tap on this next, so tap on this edit section at the top, edit. So if you tap on this edit now, as you can see, now here is the video clip. So now scroll all the way to left. So now let's say I want to just cut it from this section. Now tap on the video clip like this. So now tap on this split button. So as you can see, now I split this section. Now use your hand to zoom it. As you can see, now use your hand to zoom in like this. Use your hand to zoom the video. After you zoom this first option, so as you can see, now this first option is zoom in. So as you can see, now let's say I want to cut it from this section again, tap on the video and split it again. So I'll just zoom out this section. After I select this option, so you zoom it out like this. So I'll just cut it again, split again. So I'll zoom this one and select the option. After you cut, select the option that you want to zoom. Let's say this one. I will use my hand to zoom it. After you zoom it, so let's say I want to cut this section again. I want to, let's say, zoom this section. Select it and tap on this split button. So now use your hand to zoom it. After you select the clip like this, so use your hand to zoom it. Here is it. I use my hand to zoom it like this. So I'll use my hand to zoom it out again. So as you can see, now you can just follow this step. As you can see, now select the clip and zoom it out. Here is it. So as you can see, now let's play the video and see how it works. Let's tap on this play button. As you can see, now it, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out. As you can see, now the video is zooming in. Here is it, guys, on how to make a zoom in and zoom out zoom out effect on your TikTok. So let's say I want to zoom out this one again. After you select the clip, zoom it out like this. As you can see, now that's it. After you finish just setting up your clip like this one, as you can see, you can do it from the first to end. As you can see, now I'll make the end section zoom in like this. So after you finish all, tap on this. As you can see, now tap on this next button. After you tap on this next button, now as you can see, now here is the video. Now go ahead and type in your description and hashtag of your video and tap on this post button to post your TikTok video. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.